Alright, in this video we're going to see what the oil looks like after approximately 500 miles on this thing. So we're going to jack it up. What I like to do is I don't like to drive the vehicle on the ramps. Seems kind of dangerous. I'm going to jack it up and then slide the ramps underneath on both sides. And then we're going to drain the oil, see what it looks like. Try to get a good shot of the oil, see how dirty it is. We got the Mobil 540, and we're going to jack it up here as well. So let's see how dirty the oil gets on a 997. This stuff is. There we go. And you know what? It gets pretty dirty. I don't know if the camera's giving it justice, but let's see if we can get a close-up of this. Let's see here. That's crazy. I've only done 500 miles. Yeah, it gets pretty dirty. Wow. That's insane. And we're not doing the filter on this one. Again, I've only done 500. The intervals on these are about 6,000. But yeah, we're gonna change this one. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty dirty. This is on a 997.1.